Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ct Crema Blanqueadora is probably one of the most sought-after skin lightening creams in the market, promising a more even and radiant complexion. Today, we'll be diving deep into this popular beauty product, exploring its key ingredients, effectiveness, and overall value to determine if it truly lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for achieving your desired skin tone. We will analyze user reviews, examine the science behind its formula, and provide you with an honest and unbiased assessment to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Ct Plus Clear Therapy Lotion. This is Ct Plus Clear Therapy Extra Lightening Lotion. It's formulated to help you achieve a radiant and even skin tone. It contains carrot oil, known for its nourishing and skin brightening properties. It's gentle yet effective. This extra lightening formula helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes, revealing brighter skin. It comes in a convenient 250 ml bottle, providing ample supply for your daily skincare routine. Experience the transformative power of Ct Plus Clear Therapy. It helps you achieve a more even and radiant complexion. It's formulated to be gentle on your skin, suitable for daily use. See the difference it makes. What we like. This lotion is great for daily use with its large volume and added carrot oil. If you have dry skin and want brighter skin, this is perfect for you. Its extra lightening effect will give you a radiant glow, making it a great addition to your skincare routine. What people say. My dark spots have faded, my skin tone is more even, and my face looks brighter overall. The cream has a smooth texture and a nice scent. I apply it mostly at night and I've seen a big difference. It's a great choice if you're looking to lighten your skin and get a natural glow. Mi funciona mi aclaro demasiado la piel estoy muy sorprendida en los cambios de verdad. Number 4. Ct Plus Clear Therapy Kit. Experience the power of Ct Plus Clear Therapy, a complete skincare system designed to enhance your natural radiance. This kit is your key to a brighter, more even-toned complexion. This luxurious cream is formulated to gently lighten and brighten your skin. It leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. The accompanying lotion provides deep hydration and nourishment, complementing the cream for optimal results. It absorbs quickly and leaves no greasy residue. Start your skincare routine with our deep cleansing soap. It gently cleanses and prepares your skin for the rest of your skincare routine. This concentrated serum is packed with powerful ingredients to target dark spots and promote an even skin tone. See visible results with consistent use. Define your eyes with our precise liner pencil. It glides on smoothly for a flawless application that lasts all day. Complete your experience with our complimentary fragrance sample. Enjoy a luxurious scent that complements your radiant new skin. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for a complete skincare routine. If you are looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to achieve brighter skin, this is your best bet. It includes a cream, lotion, soap, serum, and even a liner, providing a holistic approach to skin lightening. What people say. After using it consistently for a few weeks, I've noticed a visible improvement in the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly into the skin. I use the product twice daily and within 5 days, I noticed visible results, and my skin looked brighter. The formula is smooth, easy to apply, and doesn't feel heavy or greasy. It brightens and evens out my skin tone without irritation. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, and I've seen noticeable improvements in clarity and radiance. Number 3. Clear Therapy Whitening Cream. This is our new Clear Therapy Whitening Cream. It's formulated to give you a radiant, even-toned complexion. See the difference it can make to your skin. It contains carrot oil, known for its skin brightening properties. This helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes, revealing brighter, healthier-looking skin. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth, not greasy or heavy. It's perfect for daily use. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's tone and texture. It helps to even out your complexion, revealing your natural radiance. This large 400 ml bottle means you'll have plenty of cream to enjoy. It's a cost-effective way to achieve a brighter, more even skin tone. Clear therapy is your secret to achieving a radiant, even-toned complexion. Start your journey to brighter, healthier looking skin today. What we like. This cream is perfect for those who prefer a richer, more moisturizing formula. If you have dry or sensitive skin and want to brighten your complexion, this is a great option. The large volume ensures you have enough product for long-lasting use, and the carrot oil provides deep hydration. What people say. It works well. Get rid of dark spots. The scent, it's really not bad. Make my skin glow and radiant. Very beautiful product. Leave my skin very soft. The scent is not too high. Number 2. Clear Therapy Set. This amazing set is your secret to radiant skin. It combines a luxurious cream and a revitalizing beauty bar for a complete skincare experience. This rich, creamy formula deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. It's perfect for daily use. Watch as your skin transforms, revealing a clearer, more radiant complexion. It's the ultimate pampering treat for your skin. This gentle cleansing bar complements the cream, effectively removing impurities without stripping your skin's natural oils. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and clean. The cream and bar work synergistically to improve skin texture and tone. Experience the ultimate in skincare synergy. This dynamic duo is your key to achieving a healthy, glowing complexion. Get yours today and start your journey to beautiful skin. What we like. This set combines a large cream and a beauty bar for a simple yet effective skincare routine. If you prefer a streamlined approach and want to brighten your skin, this is a great choice. The combination of cream and soap provides a complete cleansing and moisturizing experience. Number 1. Ct Plus Clear Therapy 3-Pack. This 3-pack offers a complete skincare solution. It's designed to help you achieve a brighter, more even complexion. The lotion gently lightens skin tone. It's formulated with nourishing ingredients to leave your skin feeling soft and healthy. The soap effectively cleanses and purifies your skin. It helps to remove dirt and impurities, preparing your skin for optimal absorption of other products. The serum is packed with powerful ingredients that work to improve skin texture and tone. It helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. All products are enriched with carrot oil, known for its skin brightening and moisturizing properties. It helps to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Experience the transformative power of this complete skincare system. Achieve a radiant, more confident you. What we like. This bundle offers a great value with 3 essential products for a complete skincare routine. If you like the convenience of having multiple products in one purchase, this is a great option. The combination of lotion, soap, and serum provides a comprehensive approach to skin lightening and care. What people say. This product is great, takes out all the spots out my face and body, giving me a very natural and shine look. I'm only using this for the last 4 days and I'm already seeing results. Realmente en 10 días se percibe que comienza a actuar levo un mes de uso y me eliminó las manchas por completo y mejora la textura de la piel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.